Electric vehicles, EVs, have definitely gained traction and are experiencing rising of interest on an international basis. EVs are becoming an innovation as car manufacturing experiences a Green A revolution without Tesla heading in the charge. Compared to traditional ICE, internal combustion engine, cars, however, the automotive sector is still relatively fresh, leading to an array of risks and unresolved. While EVs are promoted as a cost-effective option due to the lack of fuel expenses, it's important to consider the depreciation as a hidden cost. Depreciation is the decline in value over time and should be understood, especially for those planning to sell or upgrade their EVs within 5 years. EVs experience faster depreciation rates than gas-powered vehicles due to their unique technological advancements and rapidly evolving market dynamics. This can be likened to the situation with smartphones, where older models lose value as newer ones with enhanced features enter the market. In a recent Car and Driver poll, it was found that electric car models experience a 52% average value decrease after 3 years of ownership, while external combustion-powered cars depreciate by 39.1%. This gap can be attributed to factors like rapid technological advancements, concerns regarding battery degradation, and varying market acceptance. To mitigate depreciation when buying an EV, consider important factors. Research models with good resale values, assess battery conditions and warranty coverage, and gauge market demand. While EVs generally depreciate more than gas cars, Tesla is a notable exception, depreciating less than other electric cars but still faster than gas-powered vehicles. EV depreciation varies depending on the brand and model. Some electric cars retain their value better than others. According to Car Dealer, there are electric car models like Hyundai Icon Electric, Renault Zoe, BMW i3, and Nissan Leaf that appreciate in value the fastest after 3 years of ownership. However, Tesla vehicles, specifically the Tesla Model 3, depreciate the least at 10.2% after 3 years, while the Tesla Model X, Model S, and Model Y experience higher depreciation rates at 33.9%, 36.3%, and 38.9% respectively over the same period. EV owners who aim to save money may be concerned about the significant value loss over time due to EV depreciation. Battery degradation is a key factor impacting EV depreciation as it affects the performance and capacity of the batteries. Additionally, incentives provided to new EV owners, like the federal tax credit intended to promote EV adoption, can inadvertently lower resale values and contribute to overall depreciation. The economic value of electric vehicles is affected by the cost-effectiveness of their operation, considering increasing electricity prices. Tesla vehicles retain their value due to over-the-air updates, which keep them technologically up-to-date, enhancing performance and functionality, making them highly desirable in the market. Tesla vehicles have a higher range compared to many other electric cars, which reduce range anxiety and the need for frequent charging, making them more appealing to buyers. Tesla also benefits from a loyal fan base and a strong brand name, establishing itself as a leader in the electric vehicle market. The high demand for Tesla vehicles contributes to their higher resale value. As the electric vehicle market becomes more competitive, regular introductions of new models and innovations can render older models less desirable. However, Tesla frequently updates and continues innovations to help maintain their vehicles' relevance and value. Extensive research is essential for electric car buyers, comparing models based on features, performance, reliability, range, reviews, ratings, and anticipated resale value. Understanding the impact of EV depreciation on finances is crucial before purchasing an electric vehicle. Tesla's commitment to innovation and continuous improvement is evident in the success of their Model S, one of the early mass-market electric cars. Launched in 2012, the Model S features a rear motor, all-wheel drive, and an 85-kilowatt battery with a 265-mile range. This initial achievement and subsequent advancements have solidified Tesla's strong position in the market for their higher-value vehicles. When purchasing a vehicle, whether it's ICE-powered or an EV, depreciation should be a significant factor to consider. Being well informed about depreciation rates enables informed decision-making and better preparation for the financial impact over time. The Tesla Model S depreciates less after 3 years, 36.3%, compared to the gas-powered Mustang, 45.6%. Over a longer time frame, the Model S retains its value better, depreciating by 85% compared to the Mustang's 71.6%. EVs like the Model S tend to have better value retention than gas-powered vehicles like the Mustang, although individual circumstances and market fluctuations can influence depreciation rates. Considering depreciation when buying a new car is crucial for informed decision-making. Understanding and planning for depreciation helps align the purchase with financial goals. Researching specific models, comparing features, performance, and resale value projections aids in making a financially prudent choice. While depreciation is inevitable, being aware of its impact and factoring it into the car buying process can contribute to a more satisfactory ownership experience. Let us know in the comments. Thanks for taking the time to stay with the video to the finish. Please consider subscribing so you can join us again next time for all the latest car time news.